If you have a general caring for your people, that's the right starting point, because that will drive you in the right direction on the decisions that you make. And Humantech's system is an enabler to help you do that.
Within Inteva, we are a global manufacturer of automotive parts. We specialize in sunroofs, and interiors, and door latches. We have over 50 plants scattered throughout the world.
Our primary job as manufacturing engineering is to implement continuous improvement. We look at ways to improve the operations, to make them more efficient, to make them better for the operators.
First and foremost is always the safety, the well-being of our employees, and that's where the Ergonomics system and certainly Humantech is very much a team player in that.
They had so many different locations, and each location had some version of process in place, but there was no consistency.
I would also say as we grew globally, we didn't have anything that was really portable. It wouldn't transcend language barriers, it wouldn't transcend cultural barriers, and in some cases, it wouldn't transcend from product line to product line.
The long-term vision for Inteva was to develop an ergonomics program that is sustained over time, making sure that they can scale across the company, and to use the Humantech system as a platform for tracking, measuring, recording all the information at a single destination.
The Humantech system was designed and thought out so that it really does involve everyone in that process. And I think that's key, because ergonomics in theory is quite complex. So they've broken it down to very simple principles and risk factors.
Very easy to use. It is something that you can use throughout all of the organization.
I think one of the things that kind of shocked a lot of people is that I wasn't asking them all to make these major expensive equipment changes. A lot of the time it was just a matter of rearranging what they already had.
Keys to success in any organization is having a participatory ergonomics process, but also scale it across the company.
An important way that Humantech system helps to encourage and build that consistency is through their training, to make sure that we are doing the same process, the same assessment, the same evaluation of our work processes, no matter where you are in the world.
It's very collaborative. When the plant does all this data collection, we list all these direct causes for why we have risk factors. They are now pulling those direct causes and they're using that as our lessons learned. The more data you have, the better your decision making can be.
I think one of the most important improvements that we've seen is the awareness through the rest of the plant. We're implementing a new product in our facility right now. We're taking it even further upstream and actually looking at the design of the product itself to see if there are improvements that can be made in that design that would design out the potential for injuries.
The system allows easier management for me of this overall ergonomic system, which makes my job easier and makes us as a company get much safer.
We've had some good success here in the United States. It's starting to improve in other parts of North America, primarily in Mexico.
We launched this system first in the US. So with that, we've identified how effective this system is to launch and implement for these set of plants, and then to set a goal for how we can take this and transition this from region to region.
I'm really proud of Inteva, what they've accomplished, and we really enjoy working with Inteva.
I think the greatest compliment I can give to Humantech is that I truly see them as a partner. They are seen as just part of Inteva.
I would recommend Humantech without any reservation, absolutely.